pressing Windows plus V and nothing happens? A lot of people think Clipboard History is broken in Windows 11, but most of the time, it's simply turned off. And once you enable it, it becomes one of the most useful hidden features in Windows. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn it on, how to test it, and how to use it properly. Let's start with what Clipboard History actually is. Normally, when you copy something in Windows, the system only remembers the last thing you copied. So if you copy one sentence, then copy another one, the first one disappears. That's the normal clipboard behavior. But Clipboard History changes that. Instead of remembering one copied item, Windows stores multiple copied items. That means you can go back and paste something you copied earlier without copying it again. And once you get used to this feature, it saves a surprising amount of time. Now, let's fix the problem. The first thing to do is test whether Clipboard History is enabled. Press Windows plus V on your keyboard. If Clipboard History is disabled, you'll usually see a message saying it's turned off. And that's actually good news, because it means the feature is not broken. It just needs to be enabled. So now let's turn it on. Open Settings, then go to System. Now scroll down and open Clipboard. This is the control center for Clipboard History in Windows 11. Here you'll see a setting called Clipboard History. If the toggle is off, turn it on. That's it. Seriously? That one switch fixes the problem for most people instantly. Now let's test it properly. Copy a sentence. Anything works. Then copy another sentence. Now press Windows plus V again. This time, you should see a pop-up appear on screen. And inside that pop-up, you'll see multiple copied items. That means Clipboard History is now working correctly. Now here's the part that makes this feature genuinely useful. You are no longer limited to pasting only the most recent thing you copied. You can go back and choose older copied items anytime. So let's test that. Open Notepad or browser text box, then press Windows plus V. Now click one of the older copy items, and Windows instantly pastes it. That's the real power of Clipboard History, especially if you copy links, move text around work, with emails, edit documents, or multitask frequently. Now there's another feature worth mentioning briefly. Clipboard Sync. Inside Clipboard Settings, you may see an option to sync clipboard items across devices. If enabled, Windows can sync copied items between devices connected to the same Microsoft account. For example, you copy text on one Windows PC and access it on another. Some people love this feature. Others prefer keeping it disabled for privacy. But it's useful to know it exists. Now let's quickly talk about why people think this feature is broken. Usually it's one of three things. Number one, Clipboard History was never enabled. Number two, people press Ctrl plus V instead of Windows plus V. Remember, Ctrl plus V only pastes the latest copied item. Windows plus V opens Clipboard History. And number three, nothing has been copied yet. Clipboard History only works after you actually copy something. Now once this feature is enabled, you'll probably start using it constantly, because it solves a very common frustration. You copy one thing, then accidentally copy something else, and lose the first item. With Clipboard History, that problem disappears. And this is one of those Windows features that feels small at first, but becomes incredibly useful over time. So here's the final takeaway. If Windows plus V does nothing, Clipboard History is probably just disabled. Go to Settings, System, Clipboard, and turn Clipboard History on. Then copy a few items, press Windows plus V, and you're done. Simple fix. Huge quality of life improvement. If this video helped, subscribe for more simple, practical Windows guides that actually solve real problems. And check out the next video, where I show more hidden Windows features most people never use properly.